Namaste and hello my friends, welcome back to another video of unboxing this Flipkart Smart Trimmer, which is about 739. I already opened this box for my convenience, and here's the bill I got. As you can see, the price here 739. Let's put this aside in the box outside. Here's the box, and the box, I can see it is fully covered. Let me open this. Before opening, let me make some noise. Okay, this is good. Okay, let me open this one. Now I got the cover out, and we put this side. This is the box. It's look like very simple and normal box from Flipkart Smartbuy. Oh, I can see sealed, and here we got the beard trimmer. Let me open this box. It is written something: this trimmer has precious blades. Please use gently without applying too much pressure on the skin while operating it without the comb. Okay, we understood the problem. And let me open this box. And here's the box open. Let me show you what all the things I got. I got a USB cable. Let me put this side. And a user manual from Flipkart Smartbuy. And a charger. It's my luck. It's good to see this charge. And the main machine is here, which is the trimmer itself. Oh, let me open. So nicely packed. Side. So as you can see, a trimmer. I'll just remove the cover within just 2 minutes and I'll show you the back. And I opened all the things, and I can show you the user guide, my charger. It's a pretty good charger, I can see. It's about it's made in China. It's a pretty good charger. And I can see a liquid to use, a brush to clean the machine, actually the trimmer. And the USB quality is an average. And I got the trimmer from Flipkart Smartbuy. It seems like a really good, it's handy board. It's really good, light in weight. And I got, this is on and off button, and I got lock and unlock to remove this one, and I got removed. As you can see, these are titanium blades from only one side, and even we have the facility of increasing the size. It's 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 18, and we can lock that size and use that one. And it is very easy to remove and clean this one. As you can see, I just put some normal pressure on this, it came out. It's easy to make everything clean. And as you can see, it is pretty good. I'll show you the next, and you can play this in very easy way. So it's work really fantastic, as you can see. And very low sound, good comfort. This is really good to see, and everything's working fine. So, and if you like this video, please share, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe, that I can make more videos like this. And thank you at last.